Hey, what is up, guys? We're out here in Los Angeles, California today on an amazing Friday, tackling Angeles Crest Highway, heading up to Newcombs Ranch for the tail end of the Good Vibes Breakfast Club, an unofficial Friday car meet, and having an outstanding time in a 718 Cayman S. So for those of you that are in Los Angeles, or for those of you that are outside of Los Angeles, you might have heard about Angeles Crest. This is an iconic highway, also known as Highway 2, runs from La Cañada all the way up to Wrightwood. It's about 66 miles of elevation changes, curves, switchbacks, hairpins, just an amazing, challenging driving road. Great for any sports car enthusiast, motorcycle enthusiast. Also, a little known fact is that a lot of car magazines, such as Car and Driver, Road and Track, etc., this is their testing grounds for a lot of the manufacturers' cars that they're testing in Southern California. So come with us today as we hike up this iconic mountain road and check out the amazing Southern California car culture and car scene. All right, y'all, so check out what we are in today. We're in a 718 Cayman S. Let me give you a walk around of the car. This car is handling amazing for driving up this iconic highway. All right, so let's finish working our way up to Newcombs Ranch here on Angeles Crest. Stay tuned. All right, so what's up, y'all? We are out at Newcombs Ranch here off Angeles Crest on a Friday for the unofficial car meet, which is something known as Good Vibes Breakfast Club. Let's check it out.
I feel like without that turn though, that turn was so washboardy.
Little ducktail here. All right, so let's keep walking here. We got a nice Cayman GTS right here. These are great cars, amazing cars, handle outstanding. Very nice. And a 996 911 turbo.
So then they see your car is increasing radius. Oh yeah.
All right, a couple of nice Audi R8s here. Oops, sorry. Oh, you're good. Couple S2000s. Here we go. E36 M3 slammed. Some Apex wheels.
Sounds good.